Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website, and the help you need to do the repair yourself. If you suspect the temperature in your gas oven is incorrect, here are the top 3 most probable causes. When you select the bake or broil function on your gas range, the control sends current to the appropriate igniter or spark electrode. The igniter will first draw current, or amps, through the oven safety valve to open it. Then it will get hot enough to ignite the gas in the oven burner. Over time, the igniter can weaken, taking longer than normal to open the safety valve. As a result, the oven temperature will drop too low before the burner reignites. You should remove any covers or shields and observe whether or not the burner's igniter is glowing. If the igniter is glowing, but the burner has not been lit after 90 seconds, there is a high probability that the igniter has weakened and is unable to draw the proper amps to open the safety valve and light the burner. This problem can occur any time during the cooking process. If the igniter is not glowing, you can use a multimeter to test the part for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the igniter. If the igniter is failing electrically, the part may alternately test positive and negative for continuity. A weakened or failing igniter will need to be replaced with a new one. Some range ovens will have an electrode that uses a spark to ignite the gas in the burner tube, similar to a spark plug. Any cracks in the porcelain housing or damage to the electrode tip could indicate that the component has failed. On ranges that use an electronic control board and sensor, the control will regulate the oven temperature by monitoring its resistance to the electrical current as the oven temperature varies. If the temperature sensor is defective, the resistance reported to the board could be inaccurate, resulting in an incorrect oven temperature. You can use a multimeter to measure the sensor's resistance at room temperature. The meter should display approximately 1100 ohms of resistance. If not, the sensor should be replaced. If the sensor shows accurate resistance when tested, the oven control board itself may be malfunctioning and unable to read the sensor resistance correctly. While the board cannot be easily tested, you can inspect it for signs of burning or shorted out component. For additional troubleshooting information, enter your appliance's full model number in our website's Repair Help search bar. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.